Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Thursday boots. I have an unboxing of some new Thursdays. Obviously, you guys know these have been my main boots for a long time now, and they still are. But they are, and these are the Thursday captains, by the way. I needed something for the winter that I could wear when I'm dressed up that isn't snow boots. These are Sorels, and these are for obviously when it's snowing bad. But if it's just like, you know, I'm going out, I'm not gonna wear those out, right? I'm not gonna wear them when I'm dressing up. So that's why I got these. And these are a Chelsea boot. Chelsea boots are 1000% have to be in every man's wardrobe. You have to have Chelsea boots. If you don't, I don't know, you're missing out. You gotta get them. If you're a stylish man, you're gonna get Chelsea's. If you don't even have a pair of boots like this to wear, you're already screwing up too. So anyways, these boots here, Thursdays, we're gonna pop these open and see what we got. I haven't opened them yet, so hopefully they're the right ones. So let's just go ahead and do that. And you get a nice little box, and it's just standard shoe box. Black tissue, and there they are. Ooh. So, oh man, they look good. That is a Chelsea boot. All right, there's no laces on them. They slip on your foot. And what makes this a winter boot is this sole, the big thick sole on the bottom. Most of your Chelsea boots are gonna come with like something similar to that doesn't have a lot of grip, but this makes this like a winter Chelsea boot, nice and rugged, that rugged sole. And man, these are just meant to get beat up and you know, worn out in the elements, you know. Taft makes a good one too. I'll probably try, but yeah, we're gonna try these on and see how they fit. I don't do like, look, I know some of these other channels do boot reviews, and you know, they put the boot on and they like prance around, and they're like, you know, they have the camera angle their foot, like their feet, and they're like doing the whole like this thing, like say like these are my legs, they're like doing the like thing. I'm like, that's just fucking weird. I'm not doing that. Here's the boot, here's what it looks like. I'll do a short video of my outfit, which is gonna be so fly, because I got black jeans with the black Chelsea's, all black, baby. Black Patagonia. Anyways, these are sweet, man. They look good. They smell good. They smell like leather. Or is this suede? Not 100% sure. Terrible reviewer. Thursday boot products are handcrafted in small batches using the highest quality materials. Natural color and texture variation will occur. This is what makes the materials we use and the products we design both distinct and beautiful. Thursday. We're welcome for the purchase. That's my English Americana idiot voice. I need a shoehorn. Where do I get a good shoehorn? Anyways, the inside of these is really nice. When I get that Thursday boots. These ones, I'm gonna probably get sent out because the nail is actually coming through see the nail? Ooh boy. The bottom of the soles are nailed from the inside on Thursdays. And it doesn't bother me or anything, but it bothers me to look at. And so, you know, anyways, maybe one day a nail's gonna come through my heel. So, a little quality control issue, I don't know. I have to see. But yeah, these are, man, I wanna say designed in New York. Made, handcrafted in Mexico. I thought they were handcrafted in New York. Make your mind up, Thursday. No, we know that they're not getting made in New York City. You know, handmade in small batches, designed in New York City, handcrafted in Mexico. So that's cool. I mean, these ones, same deal, I believe. You know, I think people were complaining, like, we know you don't make your boots in New York. They're designed in New York City. Thursdays from New York. I like Taft. Taft are a bit more money. But yeah, these are, let's just try them on, all right? Let's see if they fit. Size down on Thursdays. I wear an 8. These are a 7. 7.5, I believe. Or maybe just a 7. Yeah, 7.5 US. So Taft does not do halves. They only do standard sizing, or maybe it's called general sizing. I don't know. Socks are, look at my foot. It's that's a boot cut, skinny, thin, lightweight, darn tough sock. They're the shit. Oh, they fit like a glove, dude. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, these are nice. Okay, foot shot. Oh, snap. Yeah, oh man, that's sharp. You guys can't see it, but you know how like videos will do that? Like here, I'll do a demonstration because I like to make fun of people. We'll do a demonstration on what other YouTube channels do. We're gonna make fun of them. And I'm doing this because I wanna show you the boots, so they kind of got a good idea, but I'm just gonna make fun of it. Okay, look. They do this thing. Hey, Storm, they do this, right? They do the whole thing. Stop, dude. Get out of the way. Mom, make a video. Look, they do this, guys. Can you see them? Have you guys had enough of me yet? Oh, look, let's do outside. No, you're not coming outside. I'm going outside. You? No. This dog is a sneak. Okay, look. This is how we're gonna do this. Okay. Moonwalk? No, I'll do that. So spending the afternoon in these Legends by Thursday boot, they're really comfortable. There hasn't been a break-in on them. They just kind of fit like a glove and form to my foot nicely. My feet don't hurt at all. I have worn them all day and can keep going. They're just fine. We'll talk a little bit about the construction and what they're made out of and some features. Like I said, size down on them. These are a 7.5. I usually wear an 8. And don't get these confused with the Cavaliers. The Cavaliers are the same exact Chelsea boot by Thursday. The only difference is this Chelsea boot, the Legends will have the Storm King sole, and that's what makes it a winter boot, more rugged. You can wear this hiking. Like I said, you get, caught up in storms or whatever. They're not waterproof as far as I know. I should double check that. Nothing that I'm seeing here is about waterproof, but I wouldn't worry about that too much. They'll be just fine. I've wore my Captains out in the rain plenty of times, and they're just fine. Don't worry about beating up your boots. They're made to be worn. High quality boots you can clean up and you'll be just fine. So standard for most of these high quality boots, these are $200, by the way. You are going to have the Goodyear welt that goes along, the welt that holds the sole to the actual boot. You got that really high quality glove leather inside, handmade, designed in New York City, handmade in Mexico. These were, some of them are Spain, like the Captains. And like I said, they got this rugged leather, high quality leather. It's a matte finished, and it's really, really nice. You have a core bed midsole that form to your feet, which my Captains have done, so I can vouch for that, and I can already feel that leather sole in there just forming to my foot. Leather glove interior is going to be really comfortable to your foot. It's going to formulate to your foot. It's got a steel shank inside too, as well. The Storm King sole. I mean, what else do I got to really say about them? These are really good. At $200, you can't really beat it. So the competition, Taft, which is upwards around the $300 range, but these are a really good boot, and they are stylish. I know they aren't for everyone. Like most men are gonna look good in these, but heavier set guys probably not gonna do well with a Chelsea boot. But hey, if you can pull it off and you can style it right, you'll be just fine. So I'm giving these a 10 out of 10. I wore them all day and I could keep going. I kind of didn't even want to take them off. They just really slip on nicely. Like I said, they just kind of bang, they're on there, and they look really, really good. And I like them. So yeah, that is my review of the Thursday Legends by Thursday Boots. Outfit looks fly. Give me shit if you want, or like, or share, or subscribe. That helps the channel if you enjoy the video. I hope you did. I'll see you in the next one when I do my boot collection, because it's getting up there. And yeah, that's what I got for you guys. I love you all. Peace. Remember, gentlemen, remember, the belt is not to hold your pants up. It's a fashion accessory. Get you.